Hey,
that's what hard was like.
I was short as shit at the time. You still tall.
Like, talk to him, fellas.
Facts, you know what it is.
Yeah.
You know what it is.
Know what it is,
Legendary Cherry Lounge. I ain't never paid to get in that shit. We ran that shit. You feel me? Rory, you dig?
Yeah.
Cherry Lounge. A lot of niggas they wasn't coming out.
Was not coming outside.
Cherry Lounge.
Yeah.
Cherry Lounge.
Not at all.
They might have been to the Level Lounge, but not the Cherry Lounge.
In the Star Lounge.
Yeah.
That funny shit.
Dropping zucchini. I swear I'm like Bruce Lee, rocking Bushimis. And I ain't talking the sneakers to be exact, but like Bushimis, we got it locked to the back, yeah. To the front, shout out to Max. Yeah, them niggas not where it's at, no. I be done, that's what they all said. Got niggas that went fed and still came home fed. They ain't playing about dubs, see that they all dead. You loaf around, we here to make more bread. So where that bread at? Yeah. Gotta run it. Yeah. Yo, somebody tell Rico that I'm the one in the town. Many niggas came, but I'm the one with the sound. Doing donuts in a V, look how I'm coming around. Dumbing out, but they want me dumbing it down. I don't rap for niggas that don't pay attention. I don't rap for niggas that don't really listen. This for my get money niggas, same for my bitches. For niggas rooting for winners, that see the vision. Niggas couldn't walk in my tennis, what they gonna do with us? It's easy like fettuccine, this shit ain't new to us. Plus I ain't wearing no L's unless I'm Louis up. More Mr. Carter than Weezy, but still I'm moving up. Yup, better 100 million is gorgeous. I ain't home till my address is the Forbes list. Big body 6, swear it's like it need Ross fit. Double M, family before shit.
Oh, we on it.
Yeah,
Man,
we on it.
I'm telling you, Flex, man. You can call us, man.
Yo, Big would've put me down with the commission. Killer want me dipping, I'm different, come peep the vision. Isaiah Thomas is spitting, nobody pissed in. Cause I'm that nigga, so when I talk, they gon' listen. I stay away from the haters, tryna watch for my paper. They won't call a check-in, but they gon' call you for favors. I know some niggas still on the block, still on the papers, still on parole.